Did you know that 80% of the world's transport is carried out by ships? The global marine industry, supporting millions of jobs, is a crucial part of the global economy. While shipping is relatively eco-friendly, it contributes 3% of the total greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Today, the maritime industry consumes 300 million tons of fossil fuels each year, and there are currently no readily available green fuel alternatives at scale on the horizon. But here's the turning point. Energy-saving technologies exist. Oceanly's fleet performance solution provides the tools needed to build a foundation for controlling emissions and creating a sustainable marine industry. Our solution encompasses emissions management, IMO DCS, EU MRV, UK MRV, CII, EEOI, ETS, automatic data collection, real-time data for smarter decisions, vessel reporting, streamlined compliance and transparency, route optimization, fuel savings and voyage efficiency improvements, analytics, data-driven fleet optimization, alarms, rapid event detection for enhanced safety, trim optimization, maximize fuel efficiency, LNG tools, custom-made tools for LNG carriers.
At Oceanly, we are committed to making a difference. Our innovative solutions are shaping the future of the marine industry. A performance solution should be the very foundation of your decarbonization journey.
Join us in our mission to make shipping sustainable. Oceanly, towards zero emissions.